Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Banging sounds in your washing machine usually mean it's off balance. Start by evenly distributing the load. Avoid mixing heavy and light items. Make sure your washer is level by adjusting its feet, and check the drum for coins or buttons. These quick fixes stop the noise and protect your machine from damage.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.